On a different note now, Valentine's Day, obviously a day for love.
Yeah, and that feeling is expressed in many ways. Local 12's Megan Mongello shows us a love lesson in friendship.
You are so pretty.
Thank you, Debbie.
Compliments and handshakes lead to smiles in a lunchroom full of laughter. Everyone feels included today, and that's the point. It's not just Valentine's Day, it's also National No One Eats Alone Day.
It's a proactive approach to prevent bullying before it ever starts.
Buckeye Health has been working with 6th graders at Pleasant Hill Academy for 4 years to feed and spread kindness.
Friendship means to me that whenever we're friends, then we wouldn't talk about them behind their back or tell them whenever something's wrong.
As part of the experience, the students were told to write on Purple Hearts a time when they felt alone. But they were also told to take with them this sign that says, "You matter." The students are learning to care, not just on Valentine's Day.
I learned that everybody wants to be included. We should not be ignored by if we look different or not. We are from the same community and we want to welcome everyone.
They share a table and a conversation, giving them a life lesson in being a friend to everyone. Megan Mongello, Local 12 News.
It's good to see a story like that because so often you hear about kids being bullied or kind of singled out, but at that school it seems like everyone's being included and welcomed.
Just remember the lunch hour at school.
Oh, yeah.
You know, if you weren't in the right group, it was painful, so that is so important. Love that.